Okay, we will look at the questions number 3. The Venn diagram in the answer space shows the set P, Q, and R with the state of the universal set P union Q union R. On the diagram in the answer space, shade the set. Okay, so we are going to look at the set there, which is complement of Q. Means that is going to be other than Q. So this one you are going to shade only which one? All in P here, and also yes, everything here, and also in R. Okay, because it say there is going to be complement of Q, so other than set Q. Okay, so this is going to be only 1 marks, means that you have to shade it both region there. If only one, so sorry, no marks given. Okay, next, if you this one we have P intersect Q, and then we are going to have union R. Okay, for this one, maybe some of you say that you are going to have number, isn't it? Like this. Okay, some of you lah. Ada orang dia terus dia buat, no problem. So first, P here is going to be 1 and 2. Q here is going to be 2 and 3. And R is going to be only 4 here. Okay, so we are going to solve for our P intersect with Q. So P intersect with Q, which means we are going to have over here the same one, isn't it? Only 2 here. So we are going to have P intersect Q here is only 2. Okay, the region 2 there. And then we are going to have union with R. When union with R, everything with R here only 4. So it means that you are going to have P intersect Q, and then union with R, we will get 2 and 4. So we are going to what? Shade the area of 2 here, and also 4 here. Maybe some of you just look at the questions and then straight away can find where is the shaded region will be. Okay, maybe some of you can understand. Carry on. Okay, maybe some of you cannot determine which area should you shade. So my suggestion is we are going to divide all the area with a number there, so you can identify more. Any question? This one got 2 marks lah, because there are operation. First marks given here, P intersect with Q, 1 mark, and then you union with R, another 1 mark. Either one region get 1 mark. Just one lah. Number 1 just now cannot. Satu saja ya. Okay, even though there are two region, you are going to shade. Okay, next question number 4. This one I don't know lah. Why you cannot answer? Not you lah. Some of you cannot answer this one because you can look into your formula in page 3, isn't it? You just look at the formula number 5 and number 6 there. Arc length over 2 pi r equals to theta over 360 degree. That's for our A, actually, to find the perimeter. Okay, to find the area, number 6 formula there. Okay, so we look at the questions here in diagram 4, PQT. PQT. This is going to be our first arc here, the big one here. Okay, and RS, second here. Okay, of two different circles but having the same center O. Okay, so this is going to be our center O. OP, OQR, and OTS are straight line. Okay, before we answer, you have to look at the diagram 4 here. Okay, it's given to us O to P there is 14. What is that to OP there? Yes, this is the radius for our OPQT. This is going to be the radius for the yellow one lah, that one. Okay, and 21 centimeter there is going to be the radius for our ORS, isn't it? ORS, the whole thing, ORS. Okay. Now, if you look over there also, it's given here what? 90 degree here, right? It's given 90 degree. Other than that, none. Okay. So, the questions A here. By using pi equals to 22/7, calculate the perimeter of the whole diagram. Okay. So, I'm going to do here. I think I'm going to take first the picture. Okay. First questions asks to find the perimeter. Before I find the perimeter, I have to identify first which one is going to be our perimeter that we have to find here, girls. We are going to start with OP, isn't it? OP, PQ, QR, RS, OS, OTS or OS lah, isn't it? Dia macam pagar semua tu, keliling, ukur keliling dia. Okay, so we have already our OP done. Okay, 14 plus PQ. Tak ada. So we are going to find that one. That one is going to be using our arc, isn't it? QR. Yes, because from O to Q here is going to be 14. So it means that the remaining over here we are going to take from 21 minus with 14. You are going to get 7 for QR here. RS. That one also we are going to find. And last but not least, that is going to be 21. OS 21. Is there any marks for this? No marks. So sorry. No marks given until you find PQ and RS. Yes, they are going to have mark there. Then cikgu buat ini buat apa? To show to you which one we are going to find, isn't it? So, how to find our PQ? Just now? Number 5 formula, isn't it? Yeah. The length of arc over 2 pi r equals to theta over 360 degrees. So, to find my PQ over here, I'm going straight away bring 2 pi r there, I bring to the right side. Can? Okay, so because I'm going to find my PQ there, so my theta is going to be 90 degree over 360 degree. I times with 2 pi r. Radius here is 14. Can you understand? Straight away. Cikgu, kenapa formula cikgu lain daripada formula nombor 3 ni? Page 3. Sebab saya bawa terus 2 pi r there to the right side. Can? Cari lah. 22. Straight away by using your calculator, you are going to get your PQ22. This one will give you 1 mark. Either PQ or RS will give you 1 mark over here. This one is going to be 6 marks. So means that is going to be 3 marks, 3 marks. A 3 marks, B 3 marks. Okay. Then we are going to find for our RS. Okay, so to find our RS over here. Theta. 36. Thank you. Over 360 times with 2 pi and also radius here is going to be 21. Jangan pula 7 tu So we are going to have for RS over here is going to be 13.2 centimeter. Okay. Either one. Either you find PQ or RS there. Either one there. If I can look at 22 centimeter or 13.2, 1 mark given. Either one. Okay. Not both. Either one. Okay. Then you are going to substitute back into the perimeter we are going to find just now. So over here we are going to get 14 plus with PQ over here is 22. Okay. 14 plus with 22 plus with 7 plus with RS here is 13.2 plus with 21. Okay, this one you substitute like this. I give you 1 more mark. Just now tak ada Just now why tak ada? Sebab tak cukup. Okay, because you didn't find PQ and RS yet. Okay. If correct like that, 1 marks given. And the final answer will be this one ada orang kata, cikgu boleh tak pecahan? Cikgu boleh tak perpuluhan? Either one. Don't give both lah. Okay. You can give 77.2 or 77. Kenapa Syarah? 1/5. Ya, kantin sebelah sana. Memanglah bau makanan. Cuba duduk sebelah tandas. Bau apa? Tak ada bau. Any question?
No.
Oh, no question. Okay.
If I look if like this formula, the 90 or punya fx punya boleh ke? S equals to r theta.
Oh, that one. Can? At maths formula, you can apply in maths mod. Mod maths. Math mods. Boleh lah. Boleh. Boleh. Okay. Any more? Any more question? But make sure it's going to be suitable lah. Janganlah pergi ambil pula rumus yang tak apa-apa pula. Okay. Next, we are going to look at our area. Okay. How did we want to find our area? Okay, just now. Wait. I'm going to put here lah. Okay, so we are going to find our area for the shaded region. Before we find the area of shaded region, you must identify where is your shaded region. QRST there. Okay, QRST. Kenapa banyak nyamuk ni? Okay. Okay. So means what? Means I'm going to find for the OQRST. There. Isn't it? Yes. It is not going to be the area for our OPQ. Tu tak ada kena-mengena. Okay. So means that we are going to find for the area of shaded region Okay, we are going to identify here, which means I'm going to find the area for the whole. There is going to be OQRST. Okay, and then minus, yes, minus with the area of OQT. Area of OQT. You have to identify. Is there any marks for this one? No marks. No marks. I just want to you to clarify which area we are going to find first. Okay, so if you look back in your formula, number 6 formula, the area of sector over pi r square equals to theta over 360 degree. So means that if I want to find the area of tak. Biasa. Okay. To find the area of OQRST, the whole there is going to be, I'm going to find at the other side here. So to find for the area for our OQRST is going to be, straight away I bring pi r square to the right side. So means that we are going to get 36 over 360 times with pi 22 over 7 times with the radius here is going to be 21. Don't forget square. Ada orang lupa square habis. So what will you get for this area? 138.6 centimeter square. That's the first one. Okay, bolehlah letak dekat sini. 13 pula. 138.6. Then we are going to find the area for OQT. Okay, to find the area of OQT here, area OQT means that you are going to have that is still using the same angle, isn't it? Yes. 36 over 360 or times with pi 22 over 7. Okay, the radius here will be 40. Jangan ambil 7 pula. 7 dekat QR ni tadi. Okay, ada dia gelak tu ada lah tu. So, it's going to be O to Q here is going to be 14. That's the radius. So, you are going to get over here is 14 square. Jangan lupa square. So, this one you will get 61.6. So, when I can identify, I can look at either one here. Either 138.6 or 61.6. One mark given. Either one. Salah satu. Then you are going to put to find the area of shaded region minus 138.6 minus 61.6. Another one more mark. Cikgu tulislah. Okay, either one here, one mark. Here, one mark given. And the final mark is going to be our answer, which is 77 cm square. Cikgu, kalau tak letak centimeter square, boleh tak? Boleh. Boleh. Tak ada masalah. Unit. Because maths is going to be look at the figure only. The value. Tapi kalau physics, I think is going to be the unit, right? More precisely on the unit. There. Okay. Any question? Number 5 ni rasa macam markah free je. Cikgu, markah free. Yeah, because this one is 4 marks given. First thing first. Okay, A. Write a compound statement by combining. Bacalah soalan. Combine. Okay, the two statement. Where our statement? Given below. Mana? Dalam kotak. Okay. Using the words or and. Mana satu cikgu? Or. Ada 2 or tu. Salah satulah iaitu or and. To combine that one, we have to use either one or and. To form, yang ni satu lagi, true statement. So we have to identify the statement given there in the box there. Okay. First is 29 is a multiple of 9. False statement. This is the first one is going to be false statement. 29 is an odd number. True statement, isn't it? If we are going to make true statement, to form a true statement by combining two statements there, okay, so we are using or, isn't it? Either one statement is true. If you are using or, it's going to make true statement. If either one is false, you're using and, is going to make false statement. And going to look at both statement. If or, either one statement. We have false and true, so it's going to be true statement. Faham tak ni? Can you understand? If is both false statement, can we have true statement? Cannot. Using or ke, using and ke, tak boleh. Dah false lah. Bagus buat dua-dua. Okay, class? So for this question, is not just you put or, tapi dalam pentaksiran sumatif ni saya kesian lah. Dia orang tulis or saja saya bagi markah. Ya ke?
Saya tulis or tapi tak dapat.
Kesian. Okay, supposedly you are going to combine. Sebab dia kata kat sana kan, write a compound statement, isn't it? So you have to write everything there, which means for A here, 29 is a multiple of 9. Okay, in SPM saya beritahu siap-siap for logical reasoning ni, even though I can say it's going to be easy question, but if you tak termasuk satu ayat, not satu ayat, satu perkataan. Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Even though the answer, okay, yeah. 29 is a multiple 9. Contoh. Of tak ada. Bye-bye. Because you just what? Copy je. Isn't it? So for this one, please be careful. Okay, of 9. So we are going to use or, and then you are going to have over here 29 is an odd number. The whole thing here correct, so you are given 1 mark straight away.
If it's and, we have to say if and only if. When do we use that? If and only if.
If then. The statement. If then, then you are going to get P, if P, then Q. If Q, then P. So you are going to look, is it the question is going to be true statement or false statement? So you are going to have equals or something like that, right? So you are going to get, P, if and only if Q. That's the using of if, then, and also if and only if. If given to you, P, if and only if Q. So you are going to have two premises there. If P, ni dalam nombor ni okay, this one B is using over here what? If and only if kan? Right. So for the whole thing here, this is going to be your one implication, and this one is going to be your second implication. So you are going to use if x cubed equals to negative 64, comma. Mesti ada comma. Yang ni saya beritahu. Dia rigid sikit untuk B, Ya, saya kecilkan, sorry. Okay. You are going to write like this. X cube equals to sorry. Kena ada if dululah cikgu. If x cube equals to negative 64, then apa? X equals to negative 4. Titik. Oh, titik pun kena. Yes. Tak ada? Bye-bye. Did you know that you must have what? Three what? Three dot. If you are using the what? For this one. N equals to 1, 2, 3 dot 3 dot. Alah, apa brand this one? Apa tajuk dia, saya lupa dah. Pattern and sequence. Form 2 ke form 1? Pattern and sequence, saya lupa. Kan, yang kamu kena buat yang ni, apa? Contoh. 2, 4, 6, 8. Dia bagi tahu macam tu, dot. Then form the n, tn. Tak ada buat Form 3 ni. So this one you are going to get, and here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to get n here times by 2. So you are going to get 2n. When n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Lepas tu ni yang saya kata ni, 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Kan? So you're going to get 2 times 1. When n equals to 1, you get 2. When n equals to 2, you get 4. When n equals to 3, you get 6. Contoh. What I stress here is this one. 3 dots. Wrong. Less than or more than 3? Wrong. Must 3 dot. Ni dia rigid sikit dia rigid sikit. Okay. Habis masa? Agak-agak lah kak, habis masa awal lagi. Kita 3 masa hari ni kan. Seronok hari ni. Next. We are going to flip dia. So, salin balik. If kita akan ambil x equals to negative 4, then x cube equals to negative 64. Dot. Okay. Cikgu, kalau dia, kenapa cikgu tulis bawah? Kenapa tak tulis straight? Boleh. If like this also can. Bukan nak kena, nanti ada orang dia ikut. Like this also can. As long as ada apa? If, then. If P, then Q. If Q, then P. Boleh? Boleh. E. Okay, next. This one yang kita nak ni. The premise 1 to complete the following argument. Okay. So it say over here is what? F pula. 4x, the premise 2, 4x minus 1 is not equals to 7. Okay. The conclusion given over here, x not equals to 2. For your premise 1 here, you are using what? What? If then. If then. Oh yeah. So if what? First. Yes. We are going to have this one, if you look over here, is not equal. So means that for your premise 1 here, you are going to use equal. Yeah, you akan dapat if x equals to 2, then you akan ambil yang itu 4x minus 1 equals to 7. Is it true? Yes. X equals to 2. Jangan ambil if 4x minus 1 equal to 7, then x equals to 2. Mana boleh? You are going to substitute x into the what? Equation there. X equals to 2. Then 4 times 2 is going to be 8 minus 1 is going to be 7. Tapi bila dia kata dekat tu premise 2, 4x equals 1 is not equals to 7. So means that x is not equals to 2 lah. Kan? 1 marks only. Faham? Okay. Next, can I proceed? Can. Okay, next question, number 6. Oh. Tak tahulah nak letak spotlight ke apa kat sini. Okay. When you have like this question, this one can be in SPM also. Can be in SPM also. Okay. Tapi kalau nak lagi thrill, dia bagi situation, and then you have to what? The following simultaneous, that one you have to write on your own. Yang tu lagi thrill. Yang tu ada dekat bahagian nanti kan? Ada kan? Ada belakang tu. Okay. So, di sini apa yang saya kata terang lagi bersuluh? Without. Saya bulatkan tu. Dah lah dia bold dah. Nak suruh buat apa lagi tu? Saya kata nak pakai spotlight yang kat sekolah ni. Even your answer is correct by using matrix method, yes, there are no marks given. Why? Tak ada markah. Ya, sebab you tak ikut arahan without using the matrix method. Kan? So, kalau tak guna kaedah matrix, nak guna kaedah apa cikgu? 3. Saya takut keluar yang nombor 3 tu. Elimination, substitution. Yang satu ni lah saya takut keluar. SPM. Pertimbangan. Graph method. Tak gila pun. Saya takutnya tiba-tiba tahun ni keluar ni. Graph method. You have to know, graph method, you have to, is given like this. Okay, kalau ada masa nanti saya tunjuk yang ni kalau guna graph method. Okay, is given like this, you have to find your straight line. 2 straight line. Over here you are going to have 2 straight line actually. Y equals to mx plus c. This one. Atau you have 2 straight line. The straight line is going to be intersect. The intercept, you are going to have your x value and your y value. Cuba buat. Nanti ada masa kita buat. Tapi this one, kita nak kejar masa. Okay. So, this one, we are going to do what first, girls? Okay, this one, first equation, second equation. So, I'm going, okay, you are going to eliminate x or y? X. So, we are going to take one, okay, times 5. Over here, your friend said eliminate x. Okay, dia nak eliminate x. So, we are going to make our x value is going to be the same. So, we are going to have over here, from first equation, we are going to have our third equation, which is 5x plus 5 times 2, 10y equals to 5 times 16, 80. This is going to be your third equation. Because you're saying here that you are going to eliminate x. So if you look over here, okay, saya salin second equation, 5x minus y equals to 25 is your second equation. Isn't it? Yeah. First equation become third equation. Second equation kita salin saja balik. So just now you saying that you are going to eliminate x. So we are going to take the third equation minus with second equation. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you are going to have third equation minus with the second equation. You will get what? 5x minus 5x. Finish already our x. 10 minus with negative y.
11.
Yes. Ada orang. Oh, 10 minus y. Yish. Saya nak tunggu je ada orang kata yish. 10 minus minus. Yes. Ada orang buat 9y. Bye-bye. Padahal dah betul dah tu. So this one, you have 11y. Because of negative and negative. Positive. Equals to 80 minus 25? 55. So now can I find my y? Yes. You are going to get 5. Isn't it? Oh, seronok dia dapat When you have the value for y, can we find the value for x? Yes. It's up to you. You want to use first equation, second equation or third equation? I'm using first lah. Senang kan? First equation. I'm using first equation. Okay. From first equation, okay, you are going to substitute y equals to 5 into our equation 1 there. So you are going to have x plus with 2. Y here I'm going to substitute with 5 equals to 16. So 2 times 5 is 10. Bring to the right side, you are going to get minus. So we are going to have our x here is 6. There you go for your x equal to 6, y equal to 5. How many marks? 4 marks given. Okay. Now of course lah, the marks given here is going to be the value for x, the value for y, 2 marks here. From your substitution over here, you form the third equation here, 1 marks. And also how did you find your y here also, you are going to get 1 more marks over here. Using what? Using matrix. Dunia ini sangat kejam. Ya, yeah, Kak Yana.
Surat yang cikgu bagi semalam boleh hantar? Boleh.
Okay. Next. Samboi, marah kawan. Okay, so if you are using matrix class, okay, contohlah dalam SPM tiba-tiba blur. Tak tahu nak eliminate, tak tahu nak substitute. Tak tahu kaedah graph. Okay? The only one method you know is matrix. Okay, kan? Contoh. My advice is do not show in our calculation here because of ni. Oh, engkau besarkan dah. Without. No. Don't give straight answer. Okay. Contohlah, you buat dekat tempat lain. Saya tak kata dalam kertas soalan not in our question paper. Okay, you dapat x equals to 5, x equals to 6, y equals to 5 kan? Dapat guna kaedah metrik kan? Do not show in. Yang ni jangan cakap saya cakap even though yang ni record tak apa. Okay? Jangan do not show in the calculation. You are going to use the value of x, the value of y. The examiner can give you marks based on trial and error method. Trial and improvement method. Trial and error pula. Trial and improvement. Ingat tak? X berapa? Cuba cari. X berapa. Masukkan. Kan? Contoh. Tapi you have already the value. Contoh. Susahnya. Ini bagi orang yang betul-betul lupa. Lupa apa? Lupa kaedah elimination and substitution. Yes. Jangan kata habislah saya. Sebab ini sayanglah 4 markah ni. Ya. Okey. Contohlah, okey. Kawan kita buat guna kaedah metrik, dah cantik dah. Dapatlah. Tadi X berapa tadi? X 6, Y 5 kan? Okey. Dia dapat. Cukup? Okey. Boleh tengok sini sekejap? Okey, contoh contoh tadi kawan kamu tanya. Okey. Cikgu, kami tak tahu dah. Buntu dah tak tahu dah kaedah lain. Kaedah metrik ya kami hafal ni. Okey. No problem. You just use try and error method. Tapi jangan tunjuk sangat yang kamu guna kaedah metrik dengan tidak menunjukkan dalam kertas soalan. Faham tak? Kerja yang awak buat guna kaedah metrik, jangan tunjuk dekat itu. Nampak sangatlah awak nak dah guna kaedah metrik kan? Betul tak? So, cara dia macam mana? Ini saya tunjuk trial and improvement method. Contoh, kamu nak nampakkan yang kamu buat kerja lah. X, kamu contoh kamu letak 5. Substitute into first equation. This one first, this one second equation. Subs into first equation. So, you buatlah. Contoh je 5 plus 2y equals to 16. Kan? Contoh. X equal to 5 dengan contoh saya buat y equals to 6. Boleh tak? Y equal to 6. Contoh. Ni try and improvement method. So y here is going to be 6. So 2 times 6 is going to be 12 plus with 5 over here. So you are not going to get 17. So dah salah kan sini kan? So you improve. Contoh balik. You buat pula x equal to 6. Y equal to 5. Contoh. Nampak tak? Padahal you dah tahu dah jawapan x equal to 6, y equal to 5. Faham tak maksud saya? So, contoh. Tunjuk. 5 plus 5 pula. 6 plus 2 times with 5 equals to 16. So, this one 16 equals to 16. Yo, dapat dah jawapan. This one we use trial and improvement method. Is it allowed? Yes.
Cikgu, dalam soalan minta spesifik macam contoh minta matrix method.
Metrik ah?
Boleh buat ni.
Okay. Your friend asked. If the question, sir, okay, here, say, by using matrix method.
Tulislah matrix.
Tak, dia kata tak guna kaedah metrik. Boleh tak? Tak boleh lah. By using matrix method. Kena guna matrix method, kau tak nak guna pula. Tak, contoh. So, is it allowed to use this method?
No.
No, cannot. Faham tak sini? Apa-apa ikut arahan.
Kalau dia kata tak bagi apa-apa, tak boleh guna macam kata mana-mana tulis je. Macam tulis je.
No, kalau dia kata sini, okay, contoh dia tak kata pun tak ada perkataan without using the metric method. Dia kata calculate the value of x and y that satisfy the following simultaneous linear equation. Open.
So bolehlah buat semua benda. Okay.
Semua kaedah boleh guna. Open. Calculate. Betul tak? Betul tak? Boleh kelas? Okay. 4 marks ni. Sayang. Okay, number 7. We look at number 7 here. Hai, saya tahu. Bunyi hai tu saya dah tahu dah. Okay. This one actually in our formula ada, tapi dekat formula dia tak bagi untuk speed. Dia bagi average speed. Page number 2 formula. Okay, the diagram 7 below show the distance time graph of particle over a period of 20 seconds. So, you have distance and also you have time over here, which is distance meter and time in second. Okay, the question here said, find the speed during. Okay, sorry. First thing, you have to look at the unit here. Cikgu cakap tadi tak tengok unit. Tak, ini you have to look first. Because sometimes the questions is going to be tricky what? The unit. Contoh dia kata dia nak in the unit of kilometer per hour, isn't it? You have to convert lah. That's why not the final answer lah. Dia punya unit dia bagi tahu dekat sana. Tapi this one dia bagi tahu straightforward is gonna be meter and second. So no need to convert. Okay. Boleh faham tak ni?
Boleh.
Okay. So this one the speed during the last 6 second. Last. Mana lastnya ni lah? 14 to 20. If you look there, what happened here? Decrease. Kalau decrease, automatically negatif.
Cikgu, kalau atas saya buat negatif dan jawapan akhir tu.
Dia tengok jawapan akhir kak. Kejam saya. Dia tengok jawapan akhir. Tapi dalam pentaksiran, kita bolehlah bagi. Kejap lagi. Sabar. Don't too excited. Okay. So, ramai yang buat apa? 50 over 20. Betul tak? 50 over 20 pula. 50 over 6. Kan? Negatif. Okay. Speed equals to don't shoot teacher, kan? Don't shoot teacher. So means that speed equals to distance over time. Okay? So distance is going to be 50. Time is going to be 6 over there because it is our decrease. So you are going to get negative 8.33. Ataupun dalam fraction negative 25 over 3 pun boleh diterima. Negative 25 over 3 also accepted. Either one lah. Yes?
They have mentioned the unit, right? Do we have to put the unit?
No need lah. No need also can. You want to put also can. The question here, the marks given is going to be the value. Unless the unit there is kilometer per hour. It's going to be different from our graph here. So it's going to be different. Okay. Two marks, huh? 2 marks given. From here is going to be 1 marks. Here is going to be 1 more marks. Okay, find the average speed for the whole journey. Okay, what is the formula for average speed? Tu ada dalam kita punya formula depan ni. Okay, average speed equals to total distance. Okay, we are going to calculate for total distance first. Where is our total distance? It's going to be start from 10 to 50 here. This is going to be 40 distance. Is there any distance here?
No.
No distance. Means that it's going to be what? Constant distance? No. This is going to be what? Stationary. Dia tak bergerak. Dia stay je. Dia rehat. Dalam keadaan rehat. Stationary. Pegun. Okay. So, maksudnya masa berjalan tapi kereta tak bergerak. Speed zero. Bukan speed zero. Maksudnya distance zero. Dia tak bergerak. Okay, then it's different from our speed time graph. Speed time graph lain Faham tak? Then this one is going to be the distance is why negative? This one is 50 lah. Distance. Distance, you are looking at distance, not the speed. No. Distance first. 40, this one 0, this one 50. So total distance is going to be 90 over total time. Straight away, you are going to have over here is what? 20. That's going to be your answer. And no, this is your calculation. Okay, 90 over 20. So the answer will be 4.5. That's going to be our average speed. 4.5 meter per second. Yes. Itu dah? Belum? Update. Okay. Any question? No question. Okay, we proceed to the next one. Ni tak tahulah. This one at least lah 2 marks lah. At least 2 marks you got. Why? Because he given already the straight line is given already. But you have to determine which area will be the region will be. Okay, so first thing first. On the graph in the answer space below, shade the region that satisfy all 3 inequalities. First thing first, I'm going to look at here. Y more than and equals. Okay, this one, you are so lucky. Why? Because it's given already the line there. If in exam, it will given the Cartesian plane only, you have to draw the line. If. Tu bahaya juga kan? So, it's given over here where? Here. This one. But that one, the equation of straight line is y equals. Our inequality is more than, isn't it? More than. So, it's going to be yes. Up here. Kalau ada yang buat shade macam ni pun, 1 markah boleh diberi. Yes. 1 mark given. Just shade.
What if?
You shade below.
Yeah. No. I shaded like that, but I didn't shade after the dotted line.
After the dotted line. Means that like this.
Ma.
This one only. Cannot lah. This one is included. What? Your line.
Ya betul.
Kan?
Tengok apa beza guys.
Thank you for asking. Apa beza lebih besar sama dengan lebih besar? Yes, the line. If you have equal there, ni. Baru nampak If we have more than and equal or less than and equal, our straight line is going to be solid line. If we have more than or less than, you are going to get dotted line. Come again. Tak, salah satu Kak. Untuk line ni. Ini untuk line. Saya dengar tu. Can? You are going to differentiate by looking at the inequality. For this one, is given already? No problem. Okay. So, if you look over here, the second one, we have y is more than x minus 2. So, mana x minus 2? Over here. It's saying more than. So, you are going to have shaded everything up here. More than, right? More than. Okay. The final answer should be up here only. Where is it? Here. Why? Because there are intersection between 2 of our inequality there, isn't it? Okay. To get marks here, the final mark you are going to find for the third one. Over here, girls. This we have what? Y less than and equals to 4. Okay. So if you have y less than and equals to 4, just now if you look at all the equation we have what? Equals kan? Betul tak? So you have to find y equals to 4 lah. So where is y equal to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Yes. It's using less than and equal. So by take your ruler, draw a line. Okay, we draw a line here. It is going to be solid line. And your final marks is given over here. When you have less than, means that it's going to be inside here only. So, the shaded region is going to be, the final mark is given over here.
Cikgu,
Yes.
kan dia suruh soalan minta shaded kan?
Shaded kan?
Tetapi katakanlah kita terbuat y equals 4 tu terbuat garisan titik-titik. Salah. Dia buat tu.
You shaded already?
Shaded betul tapi terbuat garisan y equals 4 tu titik-titik.
Tapi shaded betul kan? Boleh lah. Because we are looking at shaded here. Can class? Okay. Can I proceed to the next one? Will be number 9. Number 9 pula. Number 9 lah. Questions number 9. Our form 3, straight line. Kan? Form 4 pun belajar juga straight line. Form 5 pun belajar juga. Belajar ke? Okay. Diagram 9 shows a rhombus. Okay, before we look at the diagram. Rhombus. What is the properties of rhombus? Same length. Okay. Another one? Angle. Okay. Another properties?
Inside of the angles are the 360.
Another properties? The important. Parallel. What I'm going to look for. Parallel. Parallel. Not parallelogram. This is. Sekejap Assalamualaikum. Belum lagi tengah duduk discuss dengan Limity ni for paper 2. Kenapa? Takkan hari ni nak buat? Aduh, jahat lah. Okay. Okay. Nama. Beres. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Cik Nasrul there. Okay. So, where are we? The properties of rhombus. Okay. So, we have over here the equation of line PQ is y equals to 2x plus 5. Where is our PQ? Over here. Y equals to 2x plus 5. Okay. The question. Find the equation of straight line RS. We have another one more. Okay. Period. Okay. So, we are going to find the equation of straight line RS. RS is going to be down there. What we have just now, our gradient is going to be the same. Why? Because it's parallel. When we have a parallel line, okay, for parallel, parallel. So means that parallel line, you are going to have your gradient for PQ is going to be equals with the gradient of RS over here. So where is our gradient? 2. Kan kena dah. Why? Because our equation of straight line is going to be y equals to mx plus c. So this is our gradient m here. So it's going to be 2 only. Can class? So means that I can have my gradient for RS is going to be 2. Boleh? Kita nak buat equation of straight line. Okay, so now, what next? If you look just now, the question is asking for the line RS, isn't it? Can you notice that in our line RS there is given to us the point of R, the coordinate of R? Is it? Can we use that one?
Yes.
For what?
X. For the RS. To find the y. 9x. To find the x.
To find the x, because this one we already have x and y. We are going to find for our y-intercept.
Yes.
Because you already have x and y there. By substitute into our equation of straight line, y equals to 1 equals to m equals to 2 X equals to 8 and we are going to find our C here. Y-intercept. Apa dia?
Itu kat mana?
Apa kat mana?
Koordinat.
For R.
Cikgu sebut kan R tu dia macam S ke macam S?
R tu nampak macam S, tapi kenapa saya punya soalan 8?
Nampak ada S nya. Nampak ada S.
Apa yang saya tahu saya buat 8.
Tapi boleh tahu lah tu 8.
Saya rasa 8 tu.
Kalau tengok kan masa 8.
Waktu exam tak ada pun cakap pun S.
Boleh tahu lah.
8 tu 8. Kuasa veto 8. Okay, so we can find our C, isn't it?
Yes.
So C is going to be 8 times 2 is going to be 16. 16 bring to the left is going to be negative. Negative 16 plus 1. So your C here is going to be negative 15. So now can I find for my equation of straight line RS?
Yes.
Yes, you can by substitute only. Apa dia? Y jangan buat apa-apa. Equals to M kita masih lagi 2. X jangan buat apa-apa. Tapi kita punya C sahaja kita jadi negative 15. This is the answer. As long as you remember your equation of straight line here. Y equals to mx plus c. Kan? Can, girls? Okay. Next. This is going to be our A. Done already. Sorry saya kena letak dekat gambar ajar supaya awak nampak dia tu. Sepatutnya dekat bahagian bawah tu. Awak punya in exam, please do in the space. Okay? Dalam answer space. Okay. Next. Find the x-intercept of the straight line RS. This one is going to be related with our what? Equation of straight line. Kalau you dapat y equals to 2x minus 15 is correct, so B you are going to get correct. Why? Sebab you nak dapat apa? X-intercept. So, when x-intercept, what does it mean?
Y equals to 0.
Yes. If the question is asking for y-intercept, x is going to be 0. Kan? Kan? Faham tak? Tak faham. Okay. Sini. Look here. This is our x. This is our y. Kan? So, for example. For example, I have one straight line. If you look over here, this one is going to be y-intercept, isn't it? So, you can have the coordinate over here is going to be 0 and also y. Kan? For this one, you are going to have x-intercept. So, your coordinate here is going to be x with 0. Isn't it? So, for this one, it's saying that we are going to find x-intercept. So, when x-intercept means that, yes, our y here is going to be 0. So, you are going, this one is, yang saya lukis ni bukan ada kaitan dengan RS, tak ada. Saya nak tunjuk intercept saja. Boleh? Okay. So, for this one, you are going to substitute into the equation of straight line. We have RS just now, y equals to 2x minus 15. So, y equals to 0 for B, equals to 2x minus 15. Kita nak cari x, betul tak? So, bring negative 15 to the left side, you are going to get positive. So, your x here is going to be 15 over 2 or 7.5. Boleh? That's your x-intercept. Susah kan? Senang bila faham, susah bila tak faham. Ya. Betul, betul. So, our problem is any question? No questions. Can I proceed to the next question over here? Questions number 10. Oh. Ish. Diagram 10 shows two triangles, PQR and AGC, drawn on a Cartesian plane. Okay. What we have over here is saying that the triangle AGC is the image. Where is our AGC? Up here. This is our image. So if AGC is our image, what happened to PQR? Is going to be our object, isn't it? Okay. So when PQR here is going to be our object, the question, okay, under transformation V, okay, we didn't know what transformation is going to be for our V. We are going to describe in detail. Okay, first thing first. When you have like this, for our transformation, you have to remember we have 4 types of transformation. First one, translation. Remember, translation. Okay, wait ya. Yang ni saya letak sebelah sini. Okay, translation. You are going to have the orientation is going to be the same. Kalau gambar rajah dia macam ini, objek, image dia, bentuk dia pun sama juga. Orientasi dia sama. Dan translation we are going to have A and B like this. Dia bergerak kanan kiri, atas bawah. Isn't it? Translation. Next, you are going to have reflection dulu. Rotation tu kemudian. Reflection pula, you are going to have axis of reflection. If your object is something like this, the orientation is going to be macam mirror, betul tak? Something maybe can be like this. Your image. This is image. Okay. The other transformation is going to be enlargement. Rotation number 4 saya sebut sebab ini memang rotation. Enlargement. Enlargement is going to be what? Enlarge. Boleh besar boleh kecil lah kan? It's going to be depends on our factor scale. K. Remember factor scale?
Yeah.
So when you have your object like this, maybe your image is going to be bigger or smaller. Depends on our K. So for this one, is going to be different orientation. How did I know it's different orientation? By looking at the one length there. Which length I'm going to have? AG and also PQ here. Apa tu? Ultraman. It's going to be rotation, isn't it? Yeah. So for rotation, kalau sebut rotation je, 1 marks. Salah. If you saying rotation, just now kan dia kata describe in detail kan? Betul tak? Betul. You just tak tahu apa yang lain tu, you letak rotation, 1 mark. Just put rotation, 1 mark. Okay. For rotation, what is the property we have to know? ACD. Apa pula ACD? First, A, angle. C, going to be center. D is going to be direction. ACD. Kan saya pernah sebut kan sebelum ni? Terima kasih. Okay. Angle, center, direction. ACD. Okay. So that's for rotation. Okay. So just now, I take one length there. Okay. Saya ambil satu sisi sana. Okay. AG is going to be our image. Object is PQ. Kan tadi kan?
Yeah.
So, what angle you are going to have over here? Yes, 90 degree. So you are going to have over here angle 90 degree.
Dapat satu markah.
Yang tu kamu kena ada dengan direction. Baru dapat satu markah.
Kalau tulis
Rotation,
90 degree.
dia kena ada direction. Sepatutnya. Yes. Ada orang
Bawah clockwise tu.
kalau clockwise salah.
Kalau tak tulis clockwise, Kalau tak tulis clockwise, tak dapat markah.
Sepatutnya dapat satu je. Sepatutnya. Tapi ada orang dapat dua kot. Okay. Now, center kita hold sekejap. Sebab center dia perlukan sedikit jalan kerja sikit. Okay. Now, direction.
Empty.
If you look over here, okay, PQ yang macam ni kan? Senang saya tunjuk kat sini. Kalau you say it's going to be clockwise macam mana? Macam ni kan? So it's going to be like this. Oh, cikgu dapat dah. Tapi dia punya R ni dia akan datang sebelah sini, betul tak? Isn't it? So it cannot be clockwise. So other than that, jam awak bergerak mana?
Empty.
Yeah, so it's going to be NT. Okay, remember here, this is a tips how to find our center. You dah buat dah macam ni. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. So direction is going to be anti-clockwise. Okay, dah dapat dah yang ni. Okay, now nak cari center. Our center, okay, bila awak buat angle dengan direction, okay, if you are going to determine either it's going to be clockwise or anti-clockwise, so you are going to drawing the arrow. Buat arrow. Kenapa cikgu buat arrow ni arrow ni. If it's going to be anti-clockwise, so you buat macam ni. Kalau dia clockwise, you akan buat sebelah sini. Faham tak? Faham tak? Okay, kenapa? Because your center is going to be opposite from our arrow.
Yang sebelah sana.
Yes. Okay. It cannot be same at our arrow. That's the importance you to draw the arrow. Opposite. Yes, opposite from our arrow there. So means that our center is going to be somewhere here. Mana? Sabarlah. Okay. Now, the final marks given. Okay, rotation 1 mark. 90 degree anti-clockwise 1 mark. The other 1 mark. Okay. 3 markah kan? Okay. Okay. So, this one dia lebih crucial sikit. Okay, let me... This one, please look. Okay, saya padam dia punya yang warna-warna ni. Okay, this one First thing first. Nak dapat markah akhir ni. Okay. Take your ruler. Okay, if you look over here, our P is going to be the same with our A. Correct. Our Q is going to be same with our G. Am I right? Okay. So I'm going to have find for my 1 point first. Okay, I'm going to do my AP here first. By using your ruler. Okay, and your pencil. Let's load this together. Okay, I'm going to join the 2 points here. And also, I'm going to count how many boxes there. Please count how many boxes there. 4. 4. Kan?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Kan?
So center
Sabar. Did you remember apa kita panggil tu? Di perpendicular. Tak ingat dah perpendicular. So you have 4 over here. You are going to find midpoint. 4 divided by 2, you're going to get 2. 2 is going to be here. Am I right? So you are going to have 2 unit perpendicular to the straight line. Okay, perpendicular like this lah. Betul tak? 90 degree. Dia nampak tak? So saya guna dia punya tu singatan ni. It's 90 degree lah. So if you using your compasses, I think it can also. This one dia tak ada bagi markah untuk construction. you have to determine where is going to be our center point. So center point. Okay. So you can use your protractor to find your 90 degree also can. Because this one tak ada markup untuk ni. Okay. So over here I'm going to count 2 also. Nampak tak? So here. Wait, don't get too excited first. Okay, saya dah dapat dah 1. Now, I want to clarify with the other point there, which is G and Q. Okay, now I'm going to take the G and Q here. Please find for me how many boxes there for G and Q here.
No.
Yes, you are going to get 6 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divided by 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here 3. Is there any intersection? Not. That one is not our intersection yet. You are going to draw your 3 perpendicular here. 3 unit perpendicular. So you are going to have over here to the same point here. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is going to be your center. The coordinate here is going to be 5 and also 9. 5, 9 here is going to be your center. Memang macam ni lah cerita dia nak cari center. Center memang a little bit tricky lah.
So kena tulis ke dia punya
Center. Coordinate, yes. You have to, unless kalau dalam gambar rajah tu ada point dekat sana, so you can state the point name also can. M ke, ada N ke dekat sana, can. But this one don't have any point. You have to clarify the coordinate there. 5, 9. Saya nak tengok saya punya recording ni masih record ke? Masih 1 jam. Oh, 1 jam. Kali ni panjang ni. Okay. So you get 3 marks over here. Ada orang kata, cikgu, nak kena buat macam ni ke? Tak. Kena buat ayat lah. It's going to be what? Rotation. Rotation apa? 90 degree. Anti-clockwise. At the center.
Cikgu, kalau buat yang atas
tak digalakkan. Yang tu bukan tak dapat markah, tak digalakkan. Sebab dia nak kena describe in a sentence. Kan? This one saya bagi tahu dalam bentuk point lah. You have to clarify A, C, D. Okay? So means that you have 4 types of transformation. Yang ni salah satu lah, rotation. Memang famous lah. Why? Sebab dia nak menyeksa awak cari center. Okay? Translation is going to be easy. Reflection also is going to be easy. Enlargement, remember, this one you have to know about your scale factor K. Enlargement. Yang tu pun awak kena ingat. Rasa dalam dalam ni ada kan? Enlargement. K. Cuma soalan dalam ni tak ada. Dia ada. Muka surat 4. K square tu. Area of image equals to K square times with area of object. Okay, girls, can?
Yes.
Okay, can I proceed to the next one?
Yes.
Our section B. Sekejap, saya nak asingkan section A dengan section B here. Okay, section B done.